Hello students, welcome back to Excel Maths. Today we are going to be talking about type 6 where we are talking actually to expand two brackets and they both are positive. What's the difference here? They are the same. They are positive plus same. So how to really solve that? The concept is exactly the same. You're going to be taking the first term, multiplying with the entire bracket, second term with the entire bracket. Now, you took the first term, that is x, times it by the entire bracket, that is x plus 5. What's the second term in here? That's plus 5, right? This is the first term and that's the second term, correct? Second term multiplying with the entire bracket, and that is what the bracket is, right? Second bracket. Okay, so x times x squared, x times 5 is a 5x. Why plus in here? Why did I put plus? Because it was positive 5. So positive 5 times x is positive 5x. Here positive 5 times x, it would be positive 5x, and positive 5 times positive 5 would be positive 25. Whenever you have a positive symbol there, that means the entire thing is going to be positive. Okay, x squared. What is 5x plus 5x? It is 10x. That's good. Plus 25. And that's what your answer is. How to really check it through Shortcut? Let's try. So we have x plus 5, correct? We're going to be writing x squared. Take both the numbers with their symbols. Plus 5. Take both the numbers, the other one with the bracket. 5 plus 5 is a positive 10. Positive 5 times, what the bracket says, times, it would be a positive 25. Just take the first one with x and the other one as it is. So yes, we've got the answer, exactly the same. Hope that makes sense. See you soon in next video. Bye bye. Take care.